Hi, my name is Dr. Ford. I want to debunk the myth today that being overweight is bad. You're going to have to excuse the congestion. My kids are back to school, and oh my gosh, the germs, it's so bad. So being overweight, what does that mean? Sometimes overweight is classified by BMI. Sometimes it's using the Metropolitan Life height and weight scales, which were designed in the 80s. They're so old. Sometimes it can be defined by height, and then you use the chart to look at a range of almost 40 pounds, but it's dictated by height and gender. Typically, ideal body weight is dictated by gender, height, body frame, age, and so there's a lot of different things that go into your ideal body weight. Being in the field for the last 20 years, a lot of weight history and weight normative, like what's been kind of happening for you on the regular, what is your typical, that matters. That matters because that's going to show me how your brain works, how your body works. So getting a little off track, is this bad? Is however we defined overweight, is it bad? Now, if you're talking with a preventive care physician like myself or a preventive care practitioner, I think looking at adiposity and looking at body fat, because you can have someone who is of normal weight but have 40 to 50% body fat, and that can lead to chronic disease, according to some research. However, there are some conditions that actually now I'm shifting, a higher BMI is actually more protective, such as CHF. And why that's happening, some of this is the paradox, where sometimes having a heavier body actually decreases the chance of complications, increases the chance of survival, decreases mortality risk, all-cause mortality risk. And so there's so many factors that can lead to being overweight, but what is overweight? And then there's so many factors that can dictate, is that bad? So is being overweight bad? I would say that's a myth. And there's so many other things that go into your health other than your weight. And so I would then ask, well, what else is going on? What else is happening in the body to where it might be decreasing your quality of life, your quantity of years? There's so many other things, because the one thing that we can't get out of, and this is morbid, is death. Every single one of us is going to have disease, just like this congestion. Every single one of us is going to have imperfections in their health, and chasing this ideal state of living forever doesn't exist. And so increasing your quality of life, does being overweight, is that going to decrease your quality of life? Not necessarily. So it is a myth. Being overweight is bad. Hope this helps.